Jamie, this helicopter crashed while the crew was helping Flagstaff police officers on the ground. The officers on the ground were under fire from a man hopping between rooftops earlier this month. Here's what we know about these funerals. The funeral service for pilot Robert Skankey will be tomorrow at 11 a.m. at the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints in Kingman. They're asking everybody who shows up to park at Wallapai Elementary School. That's because the parking at the church itself is limited to vehicles with placards. The funeral service for Trooper Paramedic Hunter Bennett will be Monday morning at 10 a.m. at Mission Church in Gilbert. There will be a designated parking area for vehicles with placards, but other parking options, they say, are pretty limited. DPS says they will be live streaming both of these services so you can watch from home. Terrell Story is facing dozens of charges in connection to the shooting, including murder charges for the deaths of these two troopers. He's facing those murder charges because the troopers died while he's accused of committing a dangerous felony. The NTSB has not indicated why the helicopter went down.